Welcome to the magical world of adventure with Zoetoons TV.
Hello friends. Today I'm excited to tell you a story about four friends.
Welcome to the magical world of adventure. Meet Lily, Finn, Emma, and Max. Four friends who are about to embark on an exciting journey. They've just received a mysterious invitation to explore the Enchanted Forest. Who could have sent it, and what wonders await them? As they step into the Enchanted Forest, the friends are surrounded by towering trees, sparkling streams, and a symphony of bird songs. Suddenly, a wise old owl named Professor Hootenanny appears, offering to guide them on their quest. Professor Hootenanny explains that the Enchanted Forest is in trouble. Its magic is fading, and the friends must work together to find the source of the problem. They'll need to use their bravery, kindness, and cleverness to succeed. Are they up for the challenge? As they journey deeper into the forest, the friends encounter all sorts of obstacles. But they don't give up. They use their teamwork, creativity, and quick thinking to overcome each challenge. Watch as they work together to outsmart the mischievous fairies and navigate the tangled vines. After overcoming many obstacles, the friends stumble upon a hidden clearing. And there, in the center of the clearing, stands a magnificent unicorn named Sparkles. She's the guardian of the forest, and she holds the key to restoring the magic. Sparkles reveals that the magic of the forest is fueled by kindness, friendship, and teamwork, and the friends realize that they've been demonstrating these qualities throughout their journey. By working together and supporting each other, they've restored the magic of the Enchanted Forest. The friends celebrate their success with Sparkles, Professor Hootenanny, and the other creatures of the forest. They've learned the value of teamwork, kindness, and friendship, and they'll carry these lessons with them always. Congratulations, friends, on completing the Enchanted Forest quest.
We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and adventures.